In this video, we will talk about advanced set points, influence factors on the iGrow1800 environmental controller. Now, to program influence factors for set points, you would simply, from the home screen, you would hit Enter Menu, and then you would go to Advanced Set Points, Enter Menu, and then highlight Influence Factors, and hit Enter Menu. Now, the influence factor is a feature designed to enable a sensor, typically outdoor temperature or light, to automatically do an adjustment of the cool temperature or heat temperature set point. For example, if the outdoor temperature falls below a certain amount of degrees, you may want to boost or increase the heat temp set point by a certain amount of degrees. When it comes to the factor type, you can either select heat, or by hitting plus and minus, you could select cool. Now, you have to enable this feature. Plus or minus allows you to change it from disable to enable. Now, when it comes to the condition sensor, you want to go ahead and select which sensor you want to drive the influence. And for our example, even though there's a multitude of sensors, we're going to go ahead and choose out temp to be our condition sensor. Hit next. Now on this screen, we're at offset 1. Now offset 1 is the set point adjustment if the influence sensor reading is greater than condition 1. So our set point is at 68 degrees. And if the temperature outside is above 65, then we don't want to offset our set point. Hit next to condition 2. Now offset 2 is the set point adjustment if the influence sensor reading is less than condition 2. So in other words, if the temperature outside is less than 50 degrees, then what we're going to do is boost our heat set point 2 degrees. Hit next to get to where it says heat again. By hitting plus, that gives you the ability to also set your cool influence factors. And once you have done setting your values, just simply hit back till you get to the home screen, which will save your changes. Now from the Lincoln 1800 view, you would simply go to Zone Settings and go to Set Points to get to your Influence Factors programming screen. And the Influence Factors programming screen is located in the lower right corner. There's a button. Go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, you have cool set points influence and you have heat set point influence. And right now they're both enabled. If you want to change your influence sensor, just hit the drop down box and it gives you a variety of different sensors that you can utilize as an influence sensor. Simply disabling it grays out the fields, and this is no longer a feature that is enabled. To enable it, just simply hit Enable. To save your changes, after you have made your changes, just simply hit OK. And then Apply. And Update. And that's our video in advanced set points influence factors on the iGrow1800 controller.